filled with joy means the king became very happy. So the king decided to give reward to whom? To the famous personality Raja Varma. Okay, reward means reward means giving award to someone. Okay, so when firstly the king called uh, Raja Varma to his court and asked him, ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज़ योर नेक्स्ट प्लान. सो व्हेन राजा वर्मा डिड नॉट रिप्लाई, है ना, जब राजा वर्मा ने कुछ नहीं बोला, सो द किंग डिसाइडेड टू रिवॉर्ड हिम, टू मेक हिम in a way to make him he is to make him chief minister. Okay, so in a generals मतलब readily give to someone. ठीक है, give something to someone means ready to give something to someone. In this way he decided to give him chief ministership. Okay. Though Raja Varma was a good man and a brilliant artist, he had no experience whatsoever of administration. Soon everything was thrown into disorder because of his hasty decision and bad management of the state affairs. Though people were unhappy about his administration, they did not dare to complain to the king because the king was very fond of him. Now Raja Varma, no, it is acceptable that he was very good man and brilliant artist. Though Raja Varma was very good and brilliant artist, but he had no such experience of handling administration. Okay, because he was an artist ना बेटा, तो वो एक बहुत बड़े आर्टिस्ट थे. तो उनको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मतलब चीज़ों को कैसे हैंडल किया जाता है, इतने बड़े कोर्ट के वो चीफ मिनिस्टर बन गए हैं. सो उनको बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैंडल करने की थी, बट ही हैड नो सच एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हैंडलिंग कोर्ट. ओके, कोर्ट. Soon everything was thrown into disorder. ठीक है, everything went on chaos. Disorder means chaos. Chaos मतलब mismanaged. The things were going mismanaged. ठीक है, because of his hasty decision. Hasty means quick decision. ठीक है, क्विक डिसीजन, तुरंत डिसीजन ले लेना. ठीक है, तो इसके कारण चीज़ें सब मिसमैनेज हो गई. ओके, सो एंड बैड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट अफेयर्स. Though people were unhappy about his administration, they did not dare to complain to the king. People knew it very well. The things were going mismanaged in a mismanaged way, but they were unable to complain to the king. Why? Because the king liked him a lot. To whom? To Raja Varma, है ना. The king liked Raja Varma a lot. Due to that, they did not dare to complain to the king. Okay. The elders of the town finally approached and sought Tenali Rama's help in getting rid of the new and inept chief minister. Okay. Finally, the elders decided that they will ask for help. To whom? To Tenali Rama, because he was the only person who was very intelligent. Okay, he was very intelligent and they knew that definitely he would find the solution of it. Okay, so they directly went to Tenali Rama. Okay, so Tenali Rama assured them, I shall soon find a harmless way to remove the artist from the chief minister. ठीक है, so Tenali Rama assured them that definitely he would find any solution of it. Okay, so after a few weeks, Tenali Rama invited the king, the queens and some courtiers to his house for lunch. Meanwhile, he found a very good carpenter to put him on the job of preparing a grand feast for the king. ओके, देखिए कुछ हफ्ते बाद क्या होता है. आफ्टर अ फ्यू वीक्स तेनालीरामा इन्वाइटेड द किंग टू किंग द क्वीन एंड सम कोर्टियर्स टू हीज हाउस फॉर लंच, है ना। सो तेनालीरामा ने राजा को, है ना, राजा रानी और उनके कुछ मंत्रियों को अपने घर दावत के लिए बुलाया, फीस्ट के लिए। फीस्ट मतलब होता है दावत, ओके, शाही दावत, उसके लिए बुलाया, लंच के लिए बुलाया, ठीक है। मीनवाइल व्हाट हैपेंड ना, he kept the carpenter for the job of preparing food. उसने फूड को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए एक कारपेंटर को यह काम सौंपा, ठीक है। बट कारपेंटर इज वन हु डज द जॉब ऑफ मेकिंग फर्नीचर फ्रॉम वुड, है ना। तो कारपेंटर कौन होता है बेटा? जो लकड़ी से कोई भी सामान बनाए, ठीक है, फर्नीचर बनाए, लकड़ी के फर्नीचर बनाए। बट वुड ही बी एबल टू प्रिपेयर फूड? नो, नॉट एट ऑल, डेफिनेटली नॉट ना बेटा, ठीक है। हाउ कैन अ कारपेंटर prepare a food? Because he was well versed in preparing furniture, है ना, but not of food, okay। चलिए आगे देखते हैं। The king and others sat for lunch and at Tenali Rama's order the carpenter began serving them. As soon as they put the first morsel of food in their mouth, the people began to request for water again and again, okay। So they all started doing their lunch, ठीक है। As they ate their first bite of food, so they started demanding water again and again. Why? Because it was cooked in a very bad way, ठीक है। बहुत बुरी तरीके से वो खाना पकाया गया था, जिसके के कारण वो खाना नहीं खा पाए, ठीक है। फर्स्ट बाइट खाने के बाद ही वो पानी, बार बार पानी के लिए रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे, ठीक है। दे वर रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर वाटर अगेन एंड अगेन, ओके। Soon after tasting the food, the king realized that the food was badly cooked. It was not good, it was not tasty, it was very badly cooked, okay, and was unbearably hot, and it was hot too, वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म भी था, है ना, जिसके कारण they were unable to have it, okay। So he was very angry, he became very angry due to this activity, okay। So Rama, who has cooked this food? Who asked? The king asked, Rama, who has cooked this food? ये खाना किसने पकाया है? Do you want us all to suffer and die? क्या आप यह चाहते हैं कि that we will suffer? Do you really want that? सो राजा ये पूछते हैं कि तुम क्या चाहते हो, कि हम सभी सफ़र करें और डाई कर जाएं, मतलब इसके लिए हम सफ़र करें। बाय ईटिंग दिस हॉरेबल फूड, हॉरेबल मीन्स वेरी fearful, ठीक है। हॉरेबल मीन्स fearful, दिस हॉरेबल फूड, ठीक है, because it does not have taste at all. How can we eat? How can we have this food? In his usual humble way, Tenali Rama said, I beg your majesty. Majesty is forgiveness. Majesty means royal, okay, royal thing. So in his usual humble way, Tenali Rama said, kindly forgive me for this mistake. Then he showed the carpenter to the king. He showed the carpenter to the king. उसने कारपेंटर को राजा के सामने लाया. I have never come across such an excellent carpenter and have put him on the job of cooking the lunch for today's feast. Though the carpenter is well versed in making good furniture, he is well known carpenter, but he does not know cooking food well. ठीक है, उसको कारपेंटर का वर्क तो आता है ना, उसको फर्नीचर का काम तो बहुत अच्छे से आता है, फर्नीचर प्रिपेयर करना वुड से, बट ही इज़ नॉट वेल वर्स्ड इन प्रिपेयरिंग फूड, लेकिन वो खाना पकाने में बहुत ही माहिर नहीं है, ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से आपको इतना बुरा खाना खाना पड़ा, ठीक है। सो द किंग बिगन लाफिंग लाउडली, ही लाफ्ड एंड लाफ्ड ओनली, ओके, वो जोर से हंसे। हैव यू लॉस्ट ऑल सेंस रमन? A good carpenter should be employed to work on wood but not on food. How did you get this funny idea? तो राजा उसके ऊपर हंसने लगे, क्योंकि और यह कहा कि आपको ये तरकीब कैसे आई? How did you get this idea of keeping a carpenter on the job of cooking food? How did you get this idea? So Tenali Rama asked the king, Lord, if an artist can become a chief minister, can't a carpenter become a cook? So this was the only reply, ठीक है, of Tenali Rama to the king, that if an artist can handle the whole, if an artist can handle a court, okay, if an artist can handle an empire, so how so why can't a carpenter become a cook, है ना? डेफिनेटली ही कैन, ओके, कि जैसे कि एक आर्टिस्ट है, अगर वह पूरे साम्राज्य को संभाल रहा है, एम्पायर को संभाल रहा है, ठीक है, तो एक कारपेंटर अच्छा खाना क्यों नहीं बना सकता, है ना? डेफिनेटली ही कैन. So this was the reply of Tenali Rama. Okay, so the king at once understood that Tenali Rama got a carpenter to cook the food to make him realize his error in making Raja Varma the chief minister. So Raja came to know about that. This was Tenali Rama's plan, है ना? This was Tenali Rama's plan to realize the king that what error he has committed, ठीक है, कि उसने क्या मिस्टेक किए हैं, क्या गलती किया है. तो ये राजा को रियलाइज कराने के लिए ये तेनाली रामा का प्लान था. ओके, सो द किंग वॉज सेव्ड फ्रॉम द एम्बेरसमेंट of removing Raja Varma from the post. Okay, because when Raja Varma came to know about the awkward incident at Rama's house, he immediately resigned from his post. Okay, so embarrassment means felt guilty. Okay, so the king felt really guilty, ठीक है, for what? For removing Raja Varma from the post. But Raja Varma also felt awkward, ठीक है, awkward, and he immediately resigned from his post. Okay, and later Raja Varma told Tenali Rama that he was happy to remain an artist. Later Raja Varma himself realized that he was made for the skill of artist. Okay, and in this way this was all about the story. Okay, so thank you very much, Pita.